all these 12 decisions, okay, which we are going to discuss now, newly added, okay, recent decisions. So, you know, right, there are high chances that they might test you from this. And in that 5 decisions, I feel very important. So, guys, if all set, get ready for the takeoff, put the seat belt and give me ready. Ready, ready, ready? Okay, already you gave me. Ada, we will be learning chapter number 18, which is called as the emerging areas. In that, environmental, social, governance. Okay, there is something called as BRSR. For those who don't know, and we are yet to take that chapter, so I'll show something. Okay. Now a lot of talks are going around, okay, regarding sustainability. Have you heard about sustainability? Whether company can sustain environment safety, social, governance safety, etc. Okay. So every company, mainly listed company, okay, they are supposed to prepare BRSR. This is Tata, sir. I've downloaded. It's a public report. See? Uh, 1 second. Yeah. See? This is BRSR. I will be showing you this. We will be learning this, etc. in chapter 18, emerging areas. Right now, just see. Can you see this report, guys? This is business responsibility, sustainable reporting, BRSR, you call. This report is usually having 3 sessions, section A, section B, section C. We'll be learning in emerging area. Then it will have 9 principles like transparency, sustainable safety, well-being of employees, all these things, general things. Who will prepare this report? It's generally prepared by the, come on guys, it's generally prepared by the company management and it's public document. Now my question is, this report prepared by the management, auditor, CA has to give an assurance that they have prepared well. That's allowed. Now my question is, can the auditor of the company prepare BRSR for the company? Can you reply? 2 questions I'm asking you. I just showed you Tata. I just showed you Tata. No. Huh? For Tata, you are the auditor. Assume you are the auditor. Can auditor himself prepare the study of BRSR, section A, section B, section C with 9 principles? Can you prepare? I'm not asking you assurance. Can you prepare? When you are the auditor, this section A, section B, section C disclosure BRSR? Just say yes or no. Anything is fine. Answer is very good. Answer is no. But can you give an assurance report advisory on it? Can you do an advisory services for BRSR? Answer is yes. Can you give an assurance report on BRSR which is prepared by management? Answer is yes. Very important, I feel. Okay, because already we have a interconnected chapter, which is chapter 12, emerging areas. Right now you understand, as I showed you, BRSR regarding the general well-being, safety measures, etc. Company will prepare a report. Can a CA prepare if he is the auditor? No. Can he do advisory? Yes. Can he give an assurance on the BRSR already prepared? Yes. At only 12 points. For after every point, say proceed. And anything came to your mind? Compilation engagement. All these are newly added ESB decisions. Okay, come on. What came to your mind? Already we have dealt now. SRS 4000, 410. Very good. Can a auditor do compilation service? Already we have addressed this in SRS 4410. I'm the auditor of a company. Can I myself do the Can I myself do the compilation engagement? I'm not asking you agreed upon procedure. I'm asking you what compilation engagement. Answer is no. If you see in 4410, I said you are not even called as auditor. You are called as what? Practitioner. Why? Auditor cannot do the compilation. If he does, it's self-review. This we already knew. Now they have added it as a newly added ESB decision. If you are the auditor, you cannot do compilation engagement for the same entity. This also I feel important because it is already there in, this is chapter 18, this is chapter 9. Interconnected. Makla, if clear, say 3. Say, I hope you have heard performance audit, in PSU, etc. Service assessment. See, for the government, okay. Yeah, we said yesterday also, correct. For the government, can we do service assessment, performance audit, like for the skill development, etc.? Answer is yes. It's a part of your MCS. All these are like extra assessment, like employee skill development, skill assessment, performance audit for government entities. It's allowed. It's a part of MCS. Eda, this they included now as example, but mystery audit, you remember since last 3-4 years, every batch of PE I used to say. You remember guys, mystery audit, did I say mystery audit, ABC audit, data migration audit? So I'm not repeating. Can we do the mystery audit? It's like a secret audit and we'll give the report. Answer is allowed. See, already this we know because this we have been discussing in the last few sessions. Now ESB has said it's allowed for a CA in practice to do mystery audit. Uh, 5. Can I proceed? This already we have discussed, but little change is there in the question. Can you become director and promoter and include your name in the offer document? Answer is yes. Can you say where did we discuss council guidelines? Offer document, you can put as director under clause 7, part 1 for schedule offer document. Now ESB is saying portal, it's portal. Can you give it in company's website portal? CA Lakshmi, the director, can she mention her name as promoter director and mention in the portal? In 711 council guidelines, we said offer document. Here it is portal. Portal means it's like website. Answer is hello. If you're a director, you can mention. Answer is yes, without any professional attainment. Our offer document itself is a public document. In that you can keep now. So here also you can keep, but without any professional attainment. Oh, I think minimum 10 times I would have said, can you become director? Yes. Simplicity director, allowed. President director, allowed. Urban Cooperative Bank, allowed. MD, WTD, not allowed unless specific permission. Now, 6th question. Director in the board of management of cooperative society, is it allowed? Director in the board of management of cooperative society, is it allowed? Answer is yes. Can you say proceed to seventh question? In fact, that's the last question which I'm asking you. I'm going to ask you here. Have you heard about IFSC, Gift City? It's like, yeah, in income tax you would have heard, it's like a special economic zone. Gujarat, very good. It's like a special economic zone. Okay, here. Can you establish, it's like special economic zone, huh? Can you establish your practice in Gift City? I mean, can you establish your office in Gift City? Answer is yes. Now, your office is in Gift City. Within that, can you render service to the outsiders? Clients is outside Gift City? Answer is yes. That is 7 and 8. Setting up of the practice allowed. You can also provide services to clients outside Gift City. Have you heard about ASM of bank? If no, say no. No. Others, have you heard about ASM? No. Don't worry, I'm here. I will say what I know. Explanation is not there in material. ASM full form is Agency for Specialized Monitoring. See, large credit is given. You know what? Bank, they give large credit to some business. They have a lot of customers, but their credit 70% will go to particular customers, or large credit will be given to large customers. Now, what will happen if that customer's business fails? Bank will be affected. So they will appoint an agency to monitor the business of the customer, I mean, of that person, borrower of the bank. That is called as ASM, Agency for Specialized Monitoring. Who will appoint? Bank. For what? Monitoring the credit given to the large customers. Vijay Mallya case also, there was a reference of that. Okay. Now, guys, can you act as a, and I now reply, did you understand ASM? ASM means Agency for Specialized Monitoring. On behalf of the bank, you are monitoring for the customers, whether their credit, business, etc. is okay. Now, you are the auditor of a bank. Now, for the same bank, can you be the auditor and ASM? Answer is no. Either one you can take. So guys, are we clear with those 9? Since it is a newly added, I will repeat one more time, 3 more there, which I will go directly. 1, BRSR, you cannot prepare. However, you can provide advisory and assurance if you are the auditor. If you are the auditor, you cannot do what engagement? Compilation engagement is not allowed. You can do service assessment, performance audit for governments. Mystery audit, we said it is allowed. Promoter, director can mention positions. Even in offer document under 711 was allowed. Clause 7, part 1 for schedule. So in the portal also it's allowed without mentioning any professional attainment. Director. A lot of times we said. In management of cooperative society is also allowed. Can we set a practice in Gift City IFSC? IFSC, answer is allowed. Can we render service outside this particular limits? Gifts and IFSC? Yes. Can you do ASM service? Yes, but not if you're the audit of the bank. Yova, Ayova, yo ano, ayovano, yo or ayo. If you understood all the 9, say yo na. Life is a race, guys. Run, 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 run. So, guys, start camera, action. It is not permissible for whom stat auditor to prepare, oh, already it's written, BRSR, Business Responsibility Sustainable Reporting Study for the client. I said preparation is not allowed if you are the auditor. However, may provide what? Advisory services and also assurance services. Clarify? Okay, here. BRSR, already we will be learning in chapter 18. Okay, here I put the link. BRSR, Business Reporting, Sustainable Reporting, Business Response, Sustainable Reporting. What not allowed? Preparation? No. Advisory? Yes. Assurance? Also yes. If auditor. Okay. But a second. Stat audit of the entity not permitted to engage in what engagement? Compilation engagement as per SRS. I lost the flow. SRS 4410. This link is in chapter 9, related services. Next. CA in practice can engage in services assessment, performance audit of centers and skill development of Government of India as it is permissible as MCS. The payroll processing, assisting in seeing the human resources, etc. is allowed under MCS, Management Consultancy Services, under section 224. 22 CA in practice, 4 MCS. Next. A CA in practice can accept the, at our example, you remember that showroom audit we said example, no? Secret audit, what audit? Secret, what audit? Very good. We can accept the audit of mystery audit. Now, a CA in practice can mention as, you remember, promoter or director, where offer document we already studied. Here they are asking portal. However, can't mention the professional attainment. But if you mention professional attainment, it will be violation of which clause? One more clause. It is for solicitation. You are right. Clause 6 and 7. You want me to clarify that? Already we said director, promoter. In offer document, we said in 711 allowed. And we said in the bracket, you remember if he says unwanted publicity, both 611 and 711 will come. Refer council guidelines. For our class note, refer below 711 council guidelines. Point. Thank you. 12th point. All of you are searching up. That's for those who have attended the class of that 711. 12th point. See, when you study for the exam, if you link and study, that is offer document. This is in the portal. Both places Clause 611711. Makla, can you say proceed? Time is running, guys. Proceed, proceed, proceed. 6. A CA in practice can become. How many times we have said, if you make me say again, can become what? Professional director in the board of management. Can we put a full stop for this directorship? Oh my God, how many times we said director? Simplicit director, allowed. MD, WTD, not allowed, special resolution. Then director resident, ESB said allowed. Then director in urban banks, allowed. Now director in cooperative society, allowed. Okay. Now that Gujarat, Gift City, etc. we were saying, now these two are relating to that only. Can you say? A member can set up practice in IFSC Gift City. It's like similar to special economic zone. You would have heard in tax. Can he render services to outside the Gift City persons or only to them? He can render to outsiders. Members can render professional services to outside units from offices. Okay, so member can render professional services to IFSC units outside also. That's also allowed. You can do that. Now, guys, I was saying about this point, no? I'll discuss that and come back. ASM of the bank. Can you say the full form? Agency for, like we said, no? Agency for specialized monitoring. Can you be appointed as ASM? Yeah. But what if you're the auditor of the bank? You cannot be. So what auditor cannot be appointed as what? Statutory auditor of the bank cannot accept the assignment as ASM for the same bank simultaneously, either one. Either you accept ASM or this. But this particular thing is a repeat only. I've already said in the above, it's a repeat. Can you say? It's a repeat only. Can you print vision behind your visiting card letterhead? Answer is no. However, can be printed on profile and it can be provided to client only on special request. Already it's said that they're just clarifying. You know what? Why it is added again, you know? Earlier, this was not there. You understand? Earlier, they had only said vision cannot be printed on visiting card letterhead. Now in the newly added, they said this and added this. But I gave you explanation earlier also. That's why you feel repeat. So I repeat, vision values behind visiting card is not allowed. Why? Solicitation. However, in the firm profile, it can be provided. But firm profile should be given to the clients only on specific request. You can't distribute. Oh, I thought he is my client. No, guilty. Only 2 more points. With that, celebrations on. Come on. Can you say proceed? See, this is a restriction. Can an employee become internal auditor? Lot of times we have said, can an employee become internal auditor? Yes. Now they said, ESB said, CA in practice cannot be appointed as internal auditor and procurement officer of the same organization. There's a post like procurement officer, like purchase, etc. So you cannot hold both the posts at the same time. Why internal auditor need not be independent, but he should not be biased. So they said internal auditor fine, but at the same time to the same company, procurement officer and internal auditor, you cannot be appointed. You know, as a part of MCS, you can be procurement services also, but not if you are the internal auditor. Hello, last one. You get government grants. You have heard about government grants? Yes or no? The government grants, assume you got a grant of say 1 crore, spending is 80 lakhs. Utilization certificate should be given. Can you charge fee based on percentage? For education institute, etc., they get government grants. Can you charge fee based on percentage? We have said earlier also. Which clause will come to your mind? Fee based on percentage. Members can charge fees on percentage. Percentage. Clause. 10-1-1. Not 11-1-1, Kuta. 11-1-1 is engages. See, they can charge fee based on utilization amount, meaning grant amount is 1 crore, 80 lakh is utilization. You can charge fee based on percentage of 80 lakh or 1 crore. They said utilization, so 80 lakh. So guys, 3 points I didn't repeat there, so I'll repeat. Vision, mission, values behind the visiting card letterhead is not allowed, but in the portal profile, etc. profile, write-up you can do, but write-up should be given only on specific request. Internal auditor and procurement officer for the same organization, same time simultaneously not allowed. You can charge fee based on, come on, you can charge fee based on what? Percentage of grants. Okay. So with that, celebrations on, guys. With that, we have completed 12 newly added ESB decisions. Not only that, why superstar? Come on, guys, you guys are superstars. Why? Because the 12 newly added ESB over, totally 45 ESB decisions over, professional ethics over, we did IC illustration questions, we did 30 plus questions in first schedule also. Now second schedule question we'll do.